What's up guys, how you doing? And welcome back to my channel. Today I will continue making money on binary options and I will show you how you can do it as well. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And as always, if you have any question, you can ask me on Telegram. I'll leave you the link to my Telegram in the description below this video. And also you can join my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals and I also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time, so make sure you join the next marathon. And to sign up for PocketOption, you can text me on Telegram to get the link that will give you 50% bonus on your deposit, so make sure you text me on Telegram today. And without further ado, let us get straight to trading. Here, let me first change my currency pair, and I will choose the currency pair, the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen. And here we see the price chart of the currency pair. We can start now trading. After evaluation, I made a down trade for $300 for 1 minute. Today, I am trading on the 5 minutes time frame and use only two technical indicators today, the Donkin channel and the stochastic oscillator. And I made my decision based on the data coming from the stochastic oscillator. Alright, its line was in the overbought zone and it was giving a signal that it's falling down, and I made my decision and I determined that we are going to have a decline in price. And in addition, I saw that the price has reached the previous support level and it was going to turn into a resistance level and the price will fall from it. And as we can see on the chart right now, the price is actually declining at the moment. It's a slight decline, but it's going there. And our trickles of profit added to my account, $276. First profit, we keep going. Today's currency pair is not one of the most popular currency pairs on the market, and not the most profitable one either. But due to the high volatility, when trading this pair on binary options, it's quite common to find a 92% payout. And here we go, I made a down trade for 1 minute. By and large, the situation has hardly changed compared to the entry point of the first trade. Similarly, the lines of the stochastic indicator are in the overbought zone. While they begin to unfold, their behavior gives a clear signal about a possible price decline, and as we're gonna see about now. And the price right now is being held by the resistance level that you see here, and it could not break through it for the last 4 minutes. And what is happening on the chart right now, due to the fact that I'm trading on the 5 minute time frame, there is no strong changes. But the window with the marked currency pair on the upper left corner, as you can see right now, is colored green, which is a very good thing. And it shows us that everything is going as we need. And our trickles of profit added to my account, $276. Amazing. Moving next. And trading on the 5 minutes time frame with a trading time 1 minute has its own characteristics. There is no bright dynamics of signals from technical indicators, but at the same time, there is a more accurate understanding of the existing trend, and the picture on the price chart is visible for a much longer time period. I want to note as well, it's a little more difficult to find an entry point into a trade than on 1 minute time frame because the price can change direction at any moment. Now, there are no changes on the chart and I'm opening another down trade again for $300, and the reasons for its opening are exactly the same as in the previous two. I don't want to repeat myself. Let's take a closer look at the currency pair we are working with today. The Australian dollar and the Japanese yen currency pair are fundamentally different in terms of influence factors and economic fundamentals. And we can say that this pair is a pair of a high yield commodity. And the main factors affecting it are the difference in interest rates between Australia and Japan, and the fluctuations in commodity prices, and the general trend in the foreign exchange market. I won't even believe it, weather conditions. And this pair is trading dynamically during the Asian session when the banks of Japan and Australia are open, since at this time most of the exchanges in America and the rest of the world are closed. And my trade is closing as well very soon. And my trickles of profit added to my account $276. Amazing. And now we will observe the chart, but at the same time, we'll continue to study the currency pair. And I would like to note that its average daily range is 80 to 150 points. And it's great for trading on any time frame. The Australian dollar Japanese yen is a very sensitive pair to the economic and political situations observed in the world. For this reason, the price chart is sometimes difficult to predict and often goes in the opposite direction with respect to any analysis. So guys, please pay attention to these nuances. And since the situation on the price chart does not change, I reduced the time frame to M3, and let's see what signals there will be this time. And at first glance, there is no significant difference in the signals. Nevertheless, let me open a downtrend for $300 for 1 minute. And let's start with the stochastic indicator. Its lines at the opening of a new candle very clearly began to decline towards the exit from the overbought zone, which I define as a signal of a possible decline in price. In addition, the shadows of the candlesticks at the local maximum became clearly visible on the M3 or the 3-minute time frame. So I concluded that my assumption about finding the price at the resistance level is correct. And since the price cannot grow, it means it will decline. So guys, it's pretty simple. I don't think there's anything complicated about that. And as you can see now, the price is actually starting to decline. And as we remember, to make a profit on binary options, you only need to have a little difference between the opening and the closing of the trade. And now this difference is pretty visible right now, as you can see. And our trickles of profit added to my account, $276 going next. And by the way, when trading this currency pair, it is possible to successfully apply resistance and support levels, and with the help of which the entry points can easily be determined. And now I made an uptrade for $300 for 1 minute, and the trading amount does not change, $300. And here there is a situation that, in my opinion, should just go in the opposite direction to the signals of the indicators. And let me tell you why. After a long sideways movement, there is a sharp impulse decline in price, and the stochastic lines at the same time cross the 80 level and lift the overbought zone, which should show us a further decline in price. But I paid attention to such a moment as the levels because the bearish momentum turned out to be quite strong, but at the same time, these stochastic lines only slightly decreased. And it was this difference that allowed me to doubt the obvious signals from the stochastic and make the opposite decision. And as you can see, I was not mistaken. Our trade is closing. All right. At profit, you guys, and I made $276, and this is the end of our today's trading session. So in less than 8 minutes and in 5 successful trades, I made $1,380. I think it's a nice result. Rami, what do you think in the comments? And once again, I showed you how to read the signals of the technical analysis indicators and what to pay attention to. And today we also studied the features of the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen currency pair. And I also showed you how complex it is to sometimes predict the price movement on this currency pair, because it's so often that the price goes in the opposite direction compared to the signals of the indicators. So I also showed you some examples of that today. But as you've already learned, everything takes practice, and my job here is to pass on this knowledge to you so you can go and trade on your own and make your own money. And I want you to remember that before opening any trade, I want you to assess the market situation very carefully. Study the currency pair you want to trade on, as I explained to you today in the case of the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen currency pair. And also, guys, keep learning, and analysis on binary options is not complicated at all. And in case you would have any questions, you can ask me on Telegram. I'll leave you the link to my Telegram in the description below, and you can join my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals and I also run weekly marathons from $150 and up to $5,000 every week. So make sure you check all these links below. And to sign up for PocketOption, you can text me today on Telegram and get the link that will give you 50% of your deposit as a bonus. So make sure you text me today on Telegram. And guys, if you like this video, please give it a like, leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new one. That's been it for today, and I'll catch you in the next one.